G'day guys, welcome back to Ride Road Dirt. We've got the 2010 KLR650 here, and as you can see in front of me, it's new exhaust day. Let's do an unboxing, then we'll take it out for some before and after shots and get some sound. Alright, I haven't opened this thing yet, so you're getting it in real time. So Delkevic, I know they're not the fanciest and most expensive, but I thought I'd give it a go. So that'd be the pipe just before the muffler. Exhaust sealer. It's got to hold the muffler up. That'll shut like that. It's the exciting part. Ooh. Oh, pretty. Turn it around. That looks all right. That'll be for the inside of the bracket. Wrap around there. The decibel killer in there, which looks like you can take it out with an Allen key. So we'll see how loud it is with it in and out. That's a good looking pipe. Alright, so that's everything you get. The muffler itself, stickers, the bracket, oh, that'll be inside, sorry. So I'll sit in there, around there. Exhaust sealant and the pipe that sits in front. So it's nothing special. It's from the factory, you know, built to last a long time, and yeah, just be reliable and not give the purchaser any problems. So you should never really get a problem out of a stock exhaust. But that's what it sounds like. We'll head back. We'll chuck the Delkevic on. We'll come back here and we'll do a sound comparison. So the first thing is fairly self-explanatory. The plastics have to come off. Make sure you keep the two bolts in there or put them somewhere safe, don't lose them. Next one, so we can get to the back of the exhaust, the clamp, you just got to take this off. Just a 10mm bolt holding your rear brake fluid on. And just got to not move that too far, but just a little bit to the side. We just need to reach in there. All right, so we've moved our little rear brake fluid holder out of the way. Just had to loosen that off, that bolt there, holding the header to the rear muffler. It's a 5mm Allen key. And then it's really just that bolt and that bolt. And now we should be able to pull it out. Alright, so we'll take these out. Let's see. Oh, easy. There it is. That's quite heavy. There's going to be a bit of a weight loss too, I think, with the Delkevic. Yeah, wow. It's got a bit of weight to it. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of the exhaust sealant just around the outside of our standard header. I mean, if they put it in the package, you probably should chuck a bit on, I guess. Just get a little bit more for the back. Looks good. All right, we put our pipe on here. I'm not going to tighten anything yet, I'm just going to sort of let it sit. I'm going to put a bit of sealant on the inside of the muffler, right down the back, past the little tightening groove so it doesn't squeeze out everywhere. So you can see some in there. Let's just slip it on for now. So everything's on there loose at the moment, but looks nice. We'll get that bracket on, and then we'll sit everything where we want it, and it should be good to start. All right, so the little Allen key that I'm tightening now on the front header is a 4mm. So the standard one was a 5. You feel the tension as it starts to squeeze on the stainless. Next one. Yep, they're 4s as well. They're loose. Alright, that's feeling good. Nothing super tight yet. I'll tighten everything up sort of together. Now we've just got the one bolt up the top here. Alright, everything looks good. I'll nick everything up. Final tighten. Make sure everything's nice and tight. All right, just the plastics. If everything's all good, we won't have to undo any of this again. It's just a bolt here, and a little, I guess you call it a little nipple that you got to just pop in down here. And everything else should pretty much line up. That's it. Not too hard at all, as long as everything turns out okay. All right, she's in. Definitely a lot lighter, so the DB kill is still in there. We'll try it with that first. Looks cool. All right, let's start her up and see what she sounds like. it's me, but I think that DB killer is a bit of a restriction, because she seems to be opening up a bit better. It's loud at home, but I might actually leave it out. Kinda like it. Alright, well, let me know your thoughts. The Delkevic exhaust, or Delkevic, I got it for $3.89 Australian. It might be too loud for the speaker, so who knows. I'll have to play with it and figure out in future videos if I have to put the DB killer back in or not, but I kind of do like it without it. They do say the louder the better, because cars can hear you if they can't see you. So I'll probably leave it out for now and just see how we go. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, opinions in the comments. Would you have gone Delkevic? I know they're not the latest, greatest, most expensive, but I can definitely notice it's definitely more responsive, and maybe just the slightest bit, like I'm talking 0.5 of a horsepower in performance, if that. But there's definitely something there, but I love that sound anyway. I didn't think I was going to, but we'll see. Well guys, we'll probably leave it there. I'm pretty happy with that. Check out my other videos if you like KLRs and this sort of thing. I've taken this thing some pretty cool places. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. Check out my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll catch you in my mirrors.